You've probably seen SimpleFX pop up in crypto forums or trading ads, but is it actually worth your time? Well, we've done the digging for you. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts from FXEmpire.com, and after years of reviewing brokers, we know exactly what to look for, from hidden fees to potential red flags. We spent hours testing SimpleFX, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to answer the key questions every trader needs to ask. Is SimpleFX safe and reliable to trade with? How competitive are their trading fees? Do they offer a solid range of assets to trade? You'll get a walkthrough of their trading platforms, and by the end you'll know exactly who SimpleFX is best suited for and who might want to keep looking. So let's dive in. First things first, how safe is it to trade with SimpleFX? The broker's been around since 2014, which gives it nearly a decade of trading history. The company operates through 3 entities. 2 are licensed by the FSCA in South Africa and the FSC in Mauritius. The third is based offshore in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and isn't formally regulated. So what does this mean for you as a trader? All 3 entities keep client funds in segregated accounts, which means your money is kept separate from company funds and should always be accessible. They also offer negative balance protection, so your account won't drop below zero if the market moves sharply against you. However, none of the entities participate in compensation schemes. So if the broker were to go bankrupt, your funds wouldn't be insured. On the plus side, we found that the Mauritius regulated entity follows a best execution policy, which means it's legally required to give you the best available prices while placing trades. That said, trading with an unregulated entity always carries extra risk, so it's important to keep this in mind. Overall, while SimpleFX does take solid steps to protect clients, the presence of an unregulated entity brings its trust rating down, and that's why we gave them a 3.3 out of 5 in the trust category. Alright, now let's get into what you're probably most curious about, the trading fees. We checked SimpleFX's spreads on a range of instruments using their commission-free account during peak trading hours in the London and New York sessions. Here's what we discovered. Take a look at the numbers in this table. The tightest spreads were on major and minor currency pairs. These were really competitive. Spreads on stock indices were slightly above the industry average. But spreads on commodities, cryptos, and share CFDs were much higher. For example, the spread on Apple shares were almost double what most brokers charge. We also looked at swap fees. That's the cost of holding trades overnight, and those were pretty much in line with the industry average. When it comes to deposits, there's no handling fees, but withdrawal fees depend on the method you use. There's also a $20 monthly inactivity fee if your account is inactive for 90 days. So here's the bottom line. SimpleFX's trading fees are a bit higher than what's standard across the market. While they offer good spreads on forex, fees on other popular asset classes aren't as competitive. Overall, the fee structures work best for medium-term forex traders. Based on all that, we gave SimpleFX 3.6 out of 5 in the fees category. Alright, now what's the trading experience actually like? Let's look at the platforms SimpleFX offers. SimpleFX has developed its own proprietary web, desktop, and mobile platforms, all with charts powered by TradingView. So you're getting professional-grade charting across their platforms. The desktop platform is a downloadable app that you can easily install on your computer. It gives you a dedicated trading environment without needing to keep a web browser open all the time. What's nice is that the platform is fully integrated with SimpleFX's market research content, so you can access analysis right from where you're trading. The broker also offers API protocols if you're into automated trading. The web platform is probably the go-to choice for most traders since it offers the same features as the desktop app, but you can access it from any browser. It features one-click trading options, a trade calculator, and trading ideas built right in. The mobile app mirrors these same features and is really handy for placing new trades or managing your existing positions when you're away from your desk. Now let's take a quick tour of the broker's custom web trading platform and mobile app to see how they work in practice. So here we have the SimpleFX web trading platform. On the left-hand side you can see a variety of different symbols available to trade, including lots of cryptos and foreign exchange pairs. By clicking on a currency pair, you'll open up a chart on the right-hand side. These charts are powered by TradingView, so they offer a wide variety of time frames, different chart types, and many indicators that are easy to plot onto the chart. There's also a wide range of drawing tools to choose from. To place a trade, you can use the one-click trading feature at the top or open a new order ticket if you want more options, like setting stop loss and take profit levels. One of the standout features is the trade calculator on the left-hand side. This enables you to position size quite accurately in regard to margin requirements. And then on the right, the broker offers access to real-time news, an economic calendar, a news channel, and different trading ideas. As you can see, the SimpleFX web trading platform is super user-friendly and easy to to navigate. There are plenty of helpful features and tools, plus lots of research and trading ideas, so there is something here for every type of trader. Now we'll take a look at the SimpleFX mobile app. From the Home tab, you can access watch lists, including trending assets, favorites, and instruments grouped by asset class. You can also customize the layout to include a chart and order entry. By tapping on an instrument, you can reach a more detailed chart and order entry area. From here, you can use trading view charts, view relevant news, market analysis, and an economic calendar. Beneath the charts, we have the order entry tickets. Let's place a new order and click confirm. Now, under the My Trades tab, you can easily monitor your open positions along with your pending and closed orders. And under the Add Funds tab, you have a wide range of both crypto and fiat funding methods at your disposal. And finally, from the More tab, you can access lots of additional features, including an economic calendar, market analysis, and up-to-date market news. Since SimpleFX went the extra mile to develop their own platforms, we gave them a 4.3 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Alright, let's wrap up by checking out what you can actually trade with SimpleFX. They've got a pretty impressive lineup, over 1,000 different instruments to choose from. This includes 57 currency pairs, 19 commodities, 44 different cryptos, 15 stock indices, 3 bonds, and 877 share CFDs. What's worth noting is their range of commodities, cryptos, and share CFDs. They do offer more variety in these areas than most other brokers we've reviewed. Overall, SimpleFX provides a good range of options for most traders. That's why we gave them a 4.7 out of 5 for tradable instruments. In just a moment, we'll share what we really think about trading with SimpleFX. But first, here's why you can trust our insights. Our team is made up of experienced analysts and professional traders. Over the past decade, we've reviewed hundreds of forex brokers, more than 80 each year. This gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So the big question, is SimpleFX the right broker for you? Well, let's quickly recap their main pros and cons. SimpleFX has been around since 2014 and operates through 3 entities, 2 of which are regulated in Mauritius and South Africa. You get access to over 1,000 tradable instruments, including forex, commodities, stock indices, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and share CFDs. The broker offers proprietary, feature-rich web, desktop, and mobile trading platforms. There's just one universal account with no commissions and no minimum deposit, so it's easy to get started. If you're trading forex pairs, their spreads are competitive. There's no deposit fees, but a $20 monthly inactivity fee kicks in after 90 days without trading. Market research is provided in-house, though it might lack depth for more experienced traders. Plus, the 24/7 customer support is pretty solid. On the downside, spreads outside of forex, including commodities, indices, and cryptos, are higher than the industry average. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the method and can be as high as 3.5% for credit or debit card withdrawals. And just keep in mind, trading through that unregulated entity does come with some extra risk. So with all that in mind, should you trade with SimpleFX? If you're into automated trading, SimpleFX could be perfect for you. They support expert advisors and have API protocols for advanced trade automations. It's also a good choice for casual traders, as the trading platform is intuitive and there's no minimum deposit, so it's easy to get started. Swing traders might also find SimpleFX a good fit, as the overnight fees are pretty reasonable compared to other brokers. Just keep in mind they don't offer futures or vanilla options, which some swing traders prefer. Day traders will appreciate the lower spreads available on forex pairs, plus their market research can give you some decent insights. And if you're a news trader, their in-house team does a solid job with market breakdowns, financial news, and trading ideas to help you stay on top of things. Now, here's who might want to look elsewhere. If you're interested in social or copy trading, SimpleFX won't work for you. They just don't support it right now. Also, we don't recommend this broker for scalpers, as the lowest time frame on the platform is limited to 1 minute and there's no VPS service available. In our evaluation, we awarded SimpleFX an overall score of 3.8 out of 5. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner to head straight to their site. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about SimpleFX, or suggest a broker for our future reviews. And while you're at it, check out this video right here. It's probably just what you're looking for.